How to use Simplilearn effectively. Are you curious about how to make the most of Simplilearn for your learning journey? Let's break down some practical steps to help you navigate this online learning platform effectively. First, begin by setting clear and specific learning goals. Think about what you want to achieve, whether it's advancing your career or gaining new skills. This focus will guide your study sessions. Next, concentrate on mastering the basics of your chosen subject. It is important to build a strong foundation before tackling more advanced topics. Consistency is key here. Try to engage with the platform regularly, ideally in short, focused sessions. This approach helps maintain momentum and improves retention of the material. Active learning techniques can also boost your understanding. Take notes while you study, work on hands-on projects, and apply what you learn in real-world situations. This practical application is essential for solidifying your knowledge. Simplilearn offers live classes and interactive content, which allow you to learn from industry experts. This immediate feedback can help you correct mistakes early and refine your skills. Make use of the integrated labs and projects available on Simplilearn. These resources provide practical experience that is vital for skill development. To enhance long-term memory retention, incorporate spaced repetition by revisiting material periodically. This technique helps reinforce what you've learned. Your study environment plays a significant role in your productivity. Minimize distractions and schedule your study sessions during times when you feel most alert. Prioritize challenging topics first. Following productivity strategies, like tackling the hardest tasks when your concentration is at its peak, can be very effective. If Simplilearn offers mentorship or coaching opportunities, consider participating. Gaining guidance from experienced professionals can provide you with valuable perspectives. Engage with quizzes and assessments to track your progress and identify areas that need improvement. From a study hacks viewpoint, teaching what you learn to others can reinforce your knowledge and highlight any gaps in your understanding. Stay curious and keep an eye out for new updates or tools from Simplilearn. This is especially important in rapidly changing fields like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. For organizations using Simplilearn, the Learning Hub Plus provides access to a vast library of live and on-demand courses. This feature helps employees reskill through personalized learning paths and hands-on experiences that reflected real workplace demands. Using Simplilearn effectively involves setting goals, practicing consistently, engaging actively with content, applying what you learn, incorporating feedback, and managing your time wisely. By following these steps, you can maximize your learning outcomes and make the most of your experience on this platform.